One of the biggest concerns when replacing your original halogen headlights with LED bulbs is blinding other drivers on the road. LED headlights are typically brighter than halogen bulbs, so properly installing your new LEDs is crucial. Today we will be going over how to properly aim and adjust our LED headlights here at Super Bright LEDs. If your vehicle uses bubble levels, there's no need to follow the steps below. Simply adjust the vertical and horizontal levels to the correct position. To complete this headlight adjustment, you will need the following items: painter's tape or masking tape, a tape measure, a screwdriver, or other tools if your vehicle requires it, your LED headlights, and optionally, your owner's manual. Step 1. Prepare your vehicle. Pull your vehicle up to a blank, large wall and stop about 3 feet away. Make sure the vehicle is parked on level ground. Step 2. Measure the lights. Identify the vehicle's center. Add a vertical piece of painter's tape on the wall where the center is. Next, find the center of each headlight. You can find the center of your headlight by the small dimple in the headlight assembly plastic. With a tape measure, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight. Copy this measurement against the wall directly across from each headlight. Subtract 2 inches and mark with a horizontal piece of tape. Step 3. Back the vehicle a minimum of 25 feet from the wall. The bottom of the horizontal tape at the 2-inch mark should be where the top of your beam pattern sits when you're 25 feet away. Step 4. Adjust your headlight beam. To find the alignment adjuster, open the hood, look down, and find the vertical and horizontal screws or bolts. Most headlight alignment adjusters will use a Phillips screwdriver. Adjust your headlights so the most intense part of the beam is just below the horizontal tape line marked on the wall. Step 5. Perform a road test at night. With your correctly adjusted headlights, you should be able to see the road correctly. Struggling to pick the right LED bulbs? Visit our website and use the LED light bulb finder tool on the homepage to select the perfect LED bulbs for your vehicle. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to learn more about LEDs, be sure to check out our website and other videos on this channel.